Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the router model and firmware because controls differ between models. Once done, sign in as admin on the Jio Fiber app or the router's web UI. Make sure you use the account tied to the service. Next, locate the voice assistant or voice control section. Don't skip checking for firmware updates first, since some options move after updates. You'll now be ready to access detailed toggles that actually disable the assistant rather than muting speakers temporarily. You now navigate the app or web UI to the voice assistant controls and toggle the feature off. This is the step that removes active listening. Once done, verify any linked services or skills. Unlink accounts such as Google or Amazon if listed, because integrations can re-enable features. Make sure to save changes and restart the router or app when prompted. That forces the configuration to apply. If the assistant persists, check for a separate voice service firmware module and disable or uninstall it through advanced settings. You finish by rebooting the router and testing common trigger words. If it stays silent, you've successfully removed the assistant. Once done, verify connected devices and reapply any network restrictions you want to keep. If the assistant returns, perform a factory reset only after backing up settings, then reconfigure the router and repeat the disable steps. For persistent issues, make sure firmware is current, clear app cache, and contact Jio support with your router model and firmware. This helps them identify a server-side or provisioning problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.